Welcome to our first mini episode of Cut This, Polish That. Today we're going to show you how we cut this on the Javelin in just 90 seconds or less. We have one of Park Industries' good customers, Connor, went with us. You kind of have a special project that you want us to do today for the demo, so tell me what this is.
Yep, we got a pretty complex mitered coffee table that we're doing. We have a Voyager XP. We absolutely love it. With the complexity of this job, we really kind of want to see what the Javelin can do as far as water jet features on it and just the miter capabilities.
Let's get the Javelin to work.
Do it.
Today we are cutting 2 slabs of the Dekton Trillium for this project, with a total of 16 miter cuts. 8 of those cuts were at a 56-degree miter. Connor, as you're watching it work, what do you think of the Javelin?
I think it's pretty impressive. I mean, just watching the speed of A, the blade, and then B, the water jet. From what I've seen on this table we've cut so far, just the overall accuracy of the machine.
And just like that, we have 2 slabs of Dekton cut and ready to be glued up. Connor, how do you think everything went on the Javelin?
I was super impressed on what that Javelin can do. I mean, we could do it on our Voyager, but just the sheer time it takes at that Javelin, it's so fast.
And what did you think of the miter quality when we were doing those with the water jet?
I was very impressed. I mean, you can see it's razor sharp.
Thank you for joining us for our little mini episode of Cut This, Polish That. Our time is up. We'll see you next time.